Hi and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create a purchase codes manually in Business Central. So I am in the Business Manager role central. So by typing purchase purchase codes, I just open it. So I am in the purchase code list. So by clicking new, it just create the new purchase code. Let me select the vendor number, or I can type the name as well. So Fabricant is our vendor. Today's date. So in lines, I will just select the items, office bag. So I just select the office bag and let me enter the quantity in quantity fields. For example, I am taking 10. So it gives me unit of measure is piece because it defined on the item card piece. That's why it shows the piece, and it's a unit cost exclusive VAT rate. So let me select the another item as well. So Nike Air Max I select. So its units of measure is pairs. So I select 5 quantity. So now my purchase code is ready. So when I create the purchase code, so then I will send it to the vendor. So I have an option to send the document, either purchase orders document or sales order documents or purchase code. I can send it to the vendor or customer as well. So in this case, I will just click to print and send. So in this case, I want to go to the email prompt, and I will uncheck other activities. So I just, in this case, I am sending the mail to the vendor for approval, so he can approve the code. Once he approve the code, then I will proceed it into the purchase order. So here the email address is from the vendor card. It is defined on the vendor card Fabricam. As you can see that I selected the vendor Fabricam. So its email address, which is configured on its vendor card, it gives me, and I can add the others as well. And here I can type the mail as well. So this is the simplest process. You can manually create the purchase code and then send it for approval to the vendor. But one thing is must, you know, that before sending the document to the vendor, you must activate the SMTP services in BC. Then it will send it to the vendor. So this service will be activate before you sending the any document to the client or vendor. So thanks for watching.